So in this video, I'm going to review another awesome and very amazing pre-sale which is known as Life2App. So before starting the video, I'm going to give you a small disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. So guys, are you ready to get started? Get it on Google Play Store as well as on App Store. If you scroll, you can check out, scan the QR code and check out the product. What's the point? L2App will be the part of your real life, real map, real people, real places. Walk and explore the areas where you live. Spend more time with your friends, make new friends, improve your soft skills, set up your own online business. Down here you can check out walk and explore, go about your business in real life, explore new routes and places on Life2App. You will get walkers as well as more steps, more coins. It's basically step to earn token. So scan QR codes, go places like shops and cafes, scan QRs to get a greater reward as well. So just visit somewhere and get the rewards. Do online businesses at new real places and get rewards for every visitor. Just generate a new QR code. How to get a QR code? It's really simple. Generate a QR code on and an entrance sticker on Life2App. Find a local print shop on the map to print them or just order them online. Meet friends, meet your friends and make new ones. Hang out with your friends more in the same area and reward it. So more friends is equal to more coins. Work, study or stay home at area where you work or where you study. Don't want to go anywhere, just at your home area as well. So in this way you can also get the tokens. Are you ready to start it? So join their social media handles such as X, Telegram, Discord, LinkedIn as well as YouTube. They are also doing a pre-sale on the pink sale. So let's come to the pink sale page, and here we can see their token is trending number 8 on the pink sale. The product has been audited, so you can check out their audit as well. Best Buy Wolf Network, also you can check out the pre-sale will end in almost 4 days. They had raised 4.91 BNB so far. If we scroll down, you can check out some more details such as decimals are 18. Symbol is L2APP. Total supply has been shown here. Soft cap is 38 BNB. Hard cap is 152 BNB. Pre-sale rate is 1 BNB equal to 32258 tokens. Start time as well as end times are given here. Unsold tokens will be burned. Liquidity percentage is manual listing. Down here you can check out the current contributors as well. So the pre-sale is currently trending, so you can expect good returns from it because it's currently started, so it will go viral soon. So now coming back to the site, you can check out all of the details. It's basically a really good product according to me, so do some on research as well. So guys, this video is for educational purposes. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe this channel. And if you like this product, you can also participate into their pre-sale as well by joining their community. Also make sure you join their all of the social media handles because the developers of the product are part of this community and you can directly talk to them about the product developments. So guys, I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.